Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw a super funny yellow sponge friend. First, let's draw a big square shape. Make the edges a little wavy, just like a soft sponge. Wow, that looks great already!
Little farmer had some advice.
Next, draw a happy smiling mouth with two cute teeth. He looks so friendly and funny. Now let's add two big round eyes. Make them nice and big so our sponge can see everything.
Little farmer had some advice. E-I-E-I-O.
Now let's draw his arms and little legs. Don't forget his tiny shoes. Great job! Our sponge friend is almost ready.
Little farmer had some advice. E-I-E-I-O. A little farmer had some advice. E-I-E-I-O. With a help here and a help there. Here a help, there a help, everywhere a help. Little farmer had some advice. E-I-E-I-O. Little farmer had some advice. E-I-E-I-O. Little farmer had some advice.
Now it's coloring time. Color the sponge bright yellow. Color the shorts red, the tie red, and the shoes black. Wow! Look at our happy sponge character. You did an amazing job today, little artists. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next fun drawing adventure.